To transfer Coinbase by crypto, start by logging into your Coinbase account and navigating to the dashboard. From there, click on the Accounts tab and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Next, click on the Send button, which will prompt you to enter the recipient's cryptocurrency address. This address is usually a long string of letters and numbers and can be found in the recipient's cryptocurrency wallet. It is essential to double-check the recipient's address to avoid sending cryptocurrency to the wrong person. Even a small mistake can result in the loss of your funds. After entering the recipient's address, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. You can choose to enter the amount in cryptocurrency units or in your local currency. Then, review the transaction details, including the amount, fees, and total cost. Coinbase charges a small fee for transferring cryptocurrency, which will be deducted from the amount you are sending. Once you have reviewed the transaction details, click on the Send button to confirm the transfer. The transfer will be processed on the blockchain, and the recipient will receive the cryptocurrency once the transaction is confirmed. It is crucial to note that cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible, so make sure to double-check the recipient's address and the amount before confirming the transfer. Additionally, consider using two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your Coinbase account. This will help protect your account from unauthorized access and ensure that your cryptocurrency is safe. In conclusion, transferring cryptocurrency from Coinbase is a straightforward process that requires careful attention to detail. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can securely and efficiently transfer your cryptocurrency to anyone in the world. Remember to always prioritize security and use best practices when dealing with cryptocurrency transactions. This includes using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and being cautious when clicking on links or providing sensitive information. By taking these precautions and following the steps outlined in this guide, you can confidently and securely transfer your Coinbase by crypto.